What is going on, everybody? Happy New Year's. My name is Tyler with Revamp Credit, and today we're going to have a video that is going to show you how you can get some of those negative items or bankruptcies, late payments, anything off of your credit report just by filing complaints with certain websites, and I'm going to show you all those right now. All right, so as you can see, I got a couple tabs open here. I'm going to go through all of them with you guys right now. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the CFPB, also known as the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, guys. So all you're going to want to do is either go right to their website here, which is consumerfinance.gov, or you can just go right on Google and type in CFPB and it should pop up. And then once you see that, you're going to want to go right here where it says submit a complaint. And then from there, you're going to want to hit start new complaint, okay? And it might ask you to sign up, so just make sure to do that. I'm going to sign in really quickly here, so give me 1 second. Alrighty, guys, so once you are all set up, have your account and you're ready to go, you're going to want to click on that start new complaint button, and it should bring you to a page that looks like this, okay? For this one, I usually just go here where it says credit reporting, and then for the second one, I also click on credit reporting there. And then depending on what you're trying to dispute or get off your report, you would check one of these options. I usually do either incorrect information or I do improper use of my report. And then from here, I usually go to reporting company, use your report improperly, click that, and then I click yes, I have already tried to fix the issue. Okay, guys, and when you get to this page right here where it is asking you about what has happened, my opinion, this is the most important page. And what we're going to want to do here is we're going to want to put as much information as possible. We're going to want to put the account numbers. We're going to want to put the name of the account that we're trying to get off a report or the payments we're trying to get updated, okay? And this is what I put in here. This is what I'm going to put in the description as well if you want to copy it for free, of course. You just want to make sure that you put in the account name here. So for example, I put T-Mobile, and then you're going to want to put the account number right here, which you could all find on your credit report. You can find it on the annualcreditreport.com, which they are giving away for free at the moment, I think once a week, since COVID and stuff like that has happened. Or you can use like Identity IQ, which I know a lot of people and myself use. I know it costs a little bit more money, but I think it's actually a very, very good tool. So you're going to want to put that in there. And then here I got a few laws that we're trying to use to our advantage, which one is 15 USC 1681 section 602A states that we have the right to privacy. Another one here that also states that a consumer reporting agency cannot furnish an account without my written instructions. And another 15 USC 1681C A5 section states no consumer reporting agency may take any consumer report containing any of the following items of information, any other adverse item of information other than records of convictions of crimes which annotates the report by more than 7 years. You get the point. We're just trying to use this to our advantage, okay? So you're going to want to put all that information in there, be as detailed as possible. Use some of these laws to your advantage. Make sure you got your full account numbers in there and the name on the account, okay? Not the name on the account, but the name of the account that you are trying to get taken off your report, okay? And then in this section here, you're going to want to put either remove all accounts from my credit report, update the late payments to positive, stuff like that. Whatever you're trying to do, update my information, remove all previous addresses, such stuff like that, which I do recommend doing before you start disputing stuff. I highly recommend getting all your old addresses removed off your report, incorrect information, misspelling of your name, old phone numbers, everything like that. It will make it harder for them to verify your information. And then also here, you could put like your driver's license, social security number, police report, stuff like that. So once you're done there, just go ahead and click next. What information? Oh, I'm just gonna put that. I'm just gonna do a little test here for you. All right, and then on the next page here, you're gonna put all the companies in. So TransUnion, Experian, Equifax. So you want to put TransUnion LLC. Put your social, last four of your social, date of birth, and the name that it appears on your credit report. You just want to go ahead and give them the most information possible so they don't say they have any, trouble verifying you, okay? So put that in there. Do you want to do a complaint with another company? You always click yes. You can only do 3. Next one we're going to do is Experian, and then Equifax, okay? So you do those 3 there. Click next. and then you're going to put your info or make sure your information is correct here. And then once you verify all that, click review and then submit your complaint, guys. That's all it is. You're going to go ahead and do that with all of the stuff that you're trying to dispute on your credit report. All right, guys, another way is to file complaint with the BBB, also known as the Better Business Bureau. So you're just going to want to go ahead and go to their website. It's basically the same process as a CFPB. Okay, so once you're there, you just want to go ahead and click file a complaint. And then you want to click I'd like to file a complaint against a business, which is the first option there. Click file complaint. It will take you to the next page here. And you want to find a business. So you not only can you do like Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, you could also do it directly with the company. So say it's like an underwriter bank for a credit card that you're trying to get removed off your account. You would hit up them. You could do like Best Buy, T-Mobile, AT&T, whatever company that reported something negative to your account. Okay, so I'm just going to do TransUnion as an example. Boom, click that. You want to make sure you select no, not all, and then just click all no's on these guys here. So I'll do that and then continue. And then again, just fill out all your information. And it's going to also ask you for that detailed message, which you're going to want to put this in there with your with the account name and the account number, guys. Okay, so I'm not going to fully go through this one because it's basically just the same as the CFPB. Okay. All right, and another way you can file a complaint and get stuff off your credit report is by actually filing a complaint with your state's attorney general's office. Okay, I am using Florida as an example, but make sure whatever state you live in, you want to Google that state's attorney general. So for example, if I'm on Google, okay, and let's say you live in Washington, since that's where I'm from, Washington Attorney General. Okay, Google that. It will tell you the name of the general, but the first link should be the government site, and you're going to want to go ahead and click on file a complaint. Okay, now it's going to tell you all the ways you can file a complaint, which you can do online, by mail, you can call them, blah 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 blah. Okay, we're going to want to do it online. So general consumer complaint form. Okay, we're going to click on that. Again, fill out all your information, you know, do all the stuff like that. For the business name, you can put like TransUnion, Experian, whatever business or company it is that you're trying to dispute with. Okay, and then same thing with CFPB and the BBB. Going to want to go in ahead and put this in here, the laws that they're violating, your account number and the account name that you're trying to get removed off of your report. Same thing, guys. Just go through this. Oops, wrong one. Just scroll through that there, submit it. Now you've complained with all three, and usually, depending on what it is, and if you've done everything properly, you should slowly see things start to get either removed off your credit report, updated on your credit report, and so on and so on. Okay, but there are other steps that you probably should take before doing this. Like I said, make sure to get all your previous addresses removed, misspelling of your name, old phone numbers, old workplaces, old companies that you worked for. You want to get all of that stuff removed, so the companies have a more difficult time verifying your personal information. Because let's say you have a negative account from 2011 and you lived at a different address in 2011. That old address is still connected to that negative account. Once you get that old address removed, it's going to be harder for them to verify the account. You get what I'm saying? Makes a little sense. And then also you're going to want to freeze all of your secondary bureaus, LexisNexis, SageStream, all of those. Okay. Also going to make it harder to verify. And I will make more videos on that, all for free, of course. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube, and I will go through all of that stuff. Or you can join the free Discord, the free Facebook group, or you can just DM me on Instagram. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. So I think that wraps up the video here, guys. Sorry for going a little fast. It's pretty much my first video, so I got to kind of get over that fear of talking to a camera. But other than that, yeah, I think that wraps up the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to me on social media. Thanks again. Have a good day. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.